So hopefully this is working. My last video cut off because I filled up my phone. So where I was is I was explaining how the next part was going to go with this cushion. So before we get to that, let's just see how stuff glued from last time. So I glued and taped to try and make it tighter. I have so much tape on this table right now. And it looks pretty good. So yeah, so there's that. And the lid, the little top for it, that I tried to make a little tighter because it looked like it was bowing. So I guess this is going to, I need to put a frame, like this is where you need to hold your hands. I guess it just sits on the top. It kind of looked like it was going to be fit down inside, but I guess it just sits on the top. So I'll glue that there. And then this stool, it's a little bow-legged. I'm not going to move it right now because I'm afraid it's going to pop off. Burp. Yeah, one of the legs is awfully short. I think once I straighten it out, it might help. Okay. So, I wonder if I should, yeah, well, I'm going to glue that stuff later. Let's work on this while we're talking about it. So I got a different phone, and like an old phone, to do the recording on. So hopefully that will help some as far as filling up the space. Because I reset it so it doesn't have anything else on it. But we'll see whether I have problems getting this to YouTube. Alright, so it says the dimensions are 37 by 29, and then you're going to do 100 by 5 millimeter, 6 of them. So that's 100. So I guess it doesn't matter which way I cut this. I can just cut from this corner here. 37 by 29, so I'm going to around there, 6, 7. I like to make 3 dots instead of just 2. And then 29 is the other dimension. This is at an angle, so I'm going to, let me actually just make the line. The rest of it's going to be inside, so it's not going to matter. That looks awfully big. $37, right? Yeah, that's 37. 37 by 29. Okay, we'll get it close. Maybe I'll use this end because it doesn't look as, well, no, it does too. Alright, let's just do it. By 29. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad. Fabric scissors. Think. And you're only gluing around the back side. As far as I can tell. So this flap, I think, is open. Get that centered. And then you're going to stuff all these in there with your tweezers and then seal it up. Still recording? I think so. We'll find out later. So I need 5 by 100. Okay, so this direction is about 100. And that's about 5, so I can kind of guesstimate some little strips here. I need 6 of them. Six little thingies. Okay. Now let's get the glue pad back over here. And I haven't glued fabric yet, this thingy, so we'll see how that goes. The tip of this is kind of messy. Okay. So the two, they show it with the brown side up, so I'm going to do it that way. And I'm doing where I put some on and then move it around. Alright, we'll see how that goes. I probably don't want to make it too tight so that I can still stuff the parts in there. Work, you mouse. Oh, come on, get over here. Maybe I need some clips. one more. Do I have another clip? Let's see if I tuck. All right. I'm not sure how to do this. If I stuff that in there. Nope, that didn't work. All right, let's just do that. I can always cut that fabric off, that sticks out. That's what I ended up doing with the paper, the wood paper. I would get it like this, where the fabric would stick out, and I would just cut those corners off. All right, so we'll do that. And I guess we'll stop here. I don't want to like freak out the camera again. I'm going to glue this on. I'm going to wait for this to dry. And I'm going to possibly bend these out. And we'll come back. Thanks.